Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a berry coffee cake. I absolutely love this. It's like a vanilla based cake, and for the topping I just use frozen berries because A, they're cheaper, they're so flavorful, and when it cooks the juices kind of seep through and it's absolutely divine. It's super easy. It's quick. I think the most work you'll do is probably popping it into the oven and just waiting for it to cool. So if you want to see how it comes together, just make sure you keep watching. I really hope you guys try this one because this is an amazing recipe. I have been making it for quite a while now and it's on repeat. So I really hope you make it and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks guys. Bye.